Hey guys, we're back at Madison Grove again.
We're at 234 Landover Park at this beautiful 3,486 square foot home.
Just wait until you see this open floor plan. He's Jason Brinson.
And he's Danny Powers. We're the Brimpo Group at First Thomasville Realty. Let's go check it out.
To say this first floor has an open floor plan seems like an understatement. Every time you turn a corner, it's literally like there's a whole nother house.
And this kitchen is perfect for entertaining. It's easy to stay connected with all of this open space. And there's tons of countertop and cabinet space with updated appliances.
The living area really is inviting with a double-sided fireplace that helps connect the living room with the master dining area, which once again adds to the open feel of the whole house.
We haven't even talked about the upstairs. 3 bedrooms and a bath with a flexible bonus area that can be used for whatever you can imagine.
And don't forget, you have complete access to the Madison Grove Clubhouse and pool.
It's easy to see this house won't be on the market long. Give us a call and let's set up a tour.